In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn ClickUp in a matter of minutes. We'll start right in your workspace overview. From here, you'll create a brand new space, which is the highest level container for your work. Look for the New Space button and click it. Give your space a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what lives here. Think something like marketing campaigns, client projects, or product roadmap. Add a short description as well. This helps teammates understand the purpose at a glance and keeps things consistent as you scale. When you're happy with the name and description, click Continue, then go ahead and create space. Just like that, you've set the foundation for organizing everything you're about to build. Next, it's time to create tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of ClickUp, so start by adding your first one. Type the task name, keep it actionable, and click Save. Repeat the process to add a few more. Creating at least 3 tasks gives you immediate structure to practice with statuses, assignees, and dates. Once you've added your first batch, you'll see them listed out and ready to manage. Above your task group, open the 3-dot menu. This menu is powerful. You can rename the group, hide or customize statuses, and tweak how your list behaves. It's an easy way to make each list match the workflow you need without clutter. Now, assign owners to your tasks. Click the Assignee area and add the right people. Assignees create accountability, clarify responsibility, and make notifications work for you rather than against you. If you're working solo, assign tasks to yourself so they surface in your personal views. Add another assignee where collaboration is needed so that co-owners stay informed. To move work forward, update statuses. Click the small circle to the left of a task title and choose In Progress when you've started working. As tasks finish, mark them complete so your list stays accurate. Keeping statuses up to date helps your team see what's happening in real time. On the right side, you'll see a small square that lets you select tasks. Select one or multiple tasks to open bulk actions. From there, you can change statuses, assignees, dates, and tags in a single move. This is especially helpful when you're organizing a new list or planning a sprint and want to set several tasks up at once. You can also change a task's type. Open the task options and set it as a milestone if it represents a key deliverable or checkpoint. Milestones make it easy to highlight major moments in your timeline, and they stand out in views like Gantt and Calendar, keeping everyone aligned on what's truly critical. Let's add due dates. Click the due date field. Pick a date from the calendar and confirm. Setting dates is incredibly useful for planning and for surfacing what needs attention today. If you want to track start and due dates, select a start date. Today works great. Then confirm. Now you have a defined window to work in. Once set, you'll see your due date in the task row. If this is a repeating task, you can make it recurring so it automatically populates based on the schedule you choose. That's a great way to streamline regular check-ins or maintenance work. Next, set task priority. Open the priority menu and choose high for items that matter most but aren't top of the top. For truly time-sensitive work, set another task to urgent. Priorities make sorting and filtering much more meaningful, and they help your team make fast decisions when everything looks important. On the far right, the 3 dots next to your list open even more options. From here, you can browse templates for lists, tasks, and views. Templates are a huge time saver and a great way to learn by example. You can also merge duplicate tasks, and if you're tracking time, you can turn on time tracking to capture effort as you work. You'll find plenty of templates to explore, from agile boards to content calendars, so pick one that matches your workflow and adapt it as needed. You're not limited to the columns you see. Add new columns to enhance your view. Things like custom fields for budgets, links, checkboxes, or dropdowns. Tailoring columns helps you capture the exact data your team needs without opening each task. For a deeper dive into any task, click its name to open the full task view. Here, you can fill in fields such as time estimates. Enter an estimate, say 20 hours, so planning and capacity become more realistic. Estimates pair nicely with time tracking if you want to compare planned versus actual effort. You can also add tags to group related work across lists and spaces. Click the empty tag area to create or select a tag, then apply it. Tags are perfect for themes, campaigns, or shared attributes that cut across projects. In the Activities section, write comments to collaborate without leaving the task. Mention teammates to notify them directly, and attach files they need to move forward. You can even record audio if that's faster for you. Upload documents from your device, or connect cloud storage like Dropbox to pull in assets in seconds. And yes, Google Drive integrates as well, so you can attach docs, sheets, and slides right where the work happens. Once attached, everything stays with the task, keeping context and files together. Don't be intimidated by ClickUp. Despite being powerful, it's designed to make organizing your workflow simple and fast. Start with a space, add a handful of tasks, assign owners, set dates and priorities, then fine-tune with types, tags, and templates. As you get comfortable, customize columns and task details to fit your team's process. The more you use it, the more it becomes your central hub for planning, execution, and collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful and want more tutorials like it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.